This video is for the 5th grade website project assignment 4, links and publish. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go to weebly.com, and then from here, what you're going to do is click on Edit Site. If this appears, just click I'll do it later, but I don't know if that's going to appear. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom of your page where you have your works cited section. And you're going to highlight starting from www, if you have one, but most people should have www. But basically you're going to click and drag to highlight the URL of the website that you use, except don't highlight the period at the end. Then from here, what you're going to do is hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. You're then going to click on the Create Link button, which is right here. It looks like a chain. You're going to click on Website URL. And then from here, you're going to click under where it says Insert URL, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard. And then from here, what you're going to do is just click anywhere outside of the box that appears. So I'm just going to click right here in the blank spot, and that's going to make that box disappear. Next, what I'm going to do is add a link to the class website. So you're going to click on Pages up at the top, and then click on the plus sign right here. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on External Page. And then where it says page name, you're going to type Mass Tourism. And then from here, what you're going to do is click under where it says external link. So click after the slashes, and then you're going to type in masstourism.weebly.com. And just make sure that you copy the correct spelling, because if it's not the same as what we see here, it's not going to work. And then you're going to click on Done. And then the last thing we're going to do is publish our websites and send it to Mrs. Foley. So what you're going to do now is click on Publish. And then if this appears, you're going to click the bottom one, use a subdomain of weebly.com, and continue. If it doesn't appear, that's not a big deal either. But then what's going to happen is you're going to see website published, and then you're going to see a blue URL. You're going to click on that blue URL, and then what that's going to do is it's going to bring up your published website. What you want to do is just make sure that all of your spelling, grammar is correct. Your sentences begin with capitals, end with periods. You're going to make sure your links work. So just click on the link at the bottom, and if it brings you to the website that you use, then you know you're all set. And then you're also going to just check the Mass Tourism link. So you're going to click on that, and then it should bring you to this main page of all of the class websites. You're then going to click back, and then from here you're going to click to highlight the URL, and then hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. Next, you're going to open up a new tab, and then from here you're going to click on where it says Gmail, and you're going to send Mrs. Foley an email that has the URL to your published website. So you're going to click on Compose up in the top left, and then from here, it's just taking a moment to load. So then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to send it to efoley@hanoverschools.org, and make sure that you copy the correct spelling. Otherwise it won't work. So there's the correct spelling. And then for the subject, you're going to click where it says subject, and you're just going to put in your name and your partner's name. So for example, Aaron and Caitlin's website. And then from here, what you're going to do is click underneath the subject and hit Control-V on your keyboard, and that's going to paste that URL that you just copied. And then click on Send. And that's it.